Okay, just had a couple boxes show up. If they are what I think they are, I am super, super stoked. These are going to change what we shoot, how we're able to shoot, and lots of parts, some spare props, straps, batteries, where's the goods, more batteries, charger. Here is what I'm waiting for. Oh, come on. They really packed this tight. Alright, I'm just gonna rip the box. I don't think it's coming out without it. Wow, is it ever tight? I get bar C. Oh boy. This is exciting. I'm gonna put the knife down so I don't hurt myself. And how does this open? How does this open? Oh! I'm so stoked for this. Oops. My first FPV drone. This is gonna be so sick for filming. Oh man. Look how sweet that is. Rad little box. And then this should be my goggles. Or maybe it's something totally different that I ordered and forgot. But we'll see here. Oh, yeah. Yeah. My FPV goggles. We got the DJI Goggle 3 to fly with the GEP-RC, what do they call it? Synlog 30 version 3. So super stoked to start flying FPV and can't wait to show y'all the footage I get, if I can get some footage before I crash it. We'll catch you guys later.